Hey guys, check out the Amazon box we got.
Oh, it's huge. What is it?
Should we take it in and check it out?
Yeah.
All right, here it is, the Hiboy N1 electric scooter. So they sent this to us to test out. What do you say we open up the box?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, let's see what we got in the box here. So it looks like it comes pretty well packaged.
Yeah.
Oh, there's looks like the handlebar. There we go. There's the actual scooter part. All right, let's work on getting this together. All right, so here is what we get in the box. So here's the actual scooter part. Here's this base. This connects to there, and then here's the handlebar that will connect there. You get the tools and everything to attach everything together. Here's the charger. So let's get this thing installed.
Yeah.
That took less than 5 minutes to put together. It was real easy to do, and I noticed it's pretty well built. Like, I get some nice welds on there, and is actually pretty lightweight, you can tell. So it says to charge it 4 to 5 hours once you get it. So there's the charging hole right there. Oh look, there's LEDs under there as well. I didn't even notice that. And you can tell underneath there's some LED lights. That'll be fun at night. And it does also have a kickstand over on this side, which is nice for storage. So just a quick overview of this thing. It's a 120 watt motor. It's a brushless motor. It goes around 8 miles per hour, and it's meant for kids between 6 and 15, and the weight limit on this thing is around 132 pounds. So it's perfect for you guys. Since, how old are you?
6.
And you are?
8.
Yep, it's right in their wheelhouse. So I say we charge this thing up overnight and then hit the streets.
Yeah.
All right, we let it charge overnight, and here we are the next day. You guys ready to test this thing out?
Yeah.
All right, to use it, all you have to do is push, and then once you get going, you push the accelerator. So right now, nothing's gonna happen, but you gotta be moving to be able to use it. And then down here is the brake. So you just push down, and that is your stopping. So, all right, you wanna test it out?
Yeah.
Nice work. So you got going, and then you push the accelerator button.
Yeah.
And then you were able to go. Awesome. We should let your brother try.
Yeah.
Let's go hit the streets. We've been using this Hiboy N1 electric scooter for about a week or so now. So what do you think? You like this thing?
Yeah.
What was your favorite thing about it?
My comes doing bunny hops, it's so sturdy.
Yeah, you can tell it's a well-made unit. We're kind of used to the other scooters like these ones, you know, it's kind of flimsy and not the best well-made. And you know, we have had this electric one as well, but it's so heavy and it's so bulky. This Hiboy N1 is kind of the best of both worlds. It's kind of compact and it's light as well. What was your favorite thing about it?
It's easy to use.
Yeah, it doesn't get much easier just by pushing the button. There's actually no off button. It just turns off after 60 seconds of use. You get about 40 minutes of ride time on this thing, which is really great. Then the charge time, like I said, is only like 4 hours. So it'd make a great gift for your kid or grandkid. I'll leave a link in the description below if you're looking to purchase one of these or want more information. But what do you think? 2 thumbs up?
Yeah. Thanks for watching.